2027 GMC Sierra 1500 Hybrid isn't just another efficient truck. It's the moment where full-size pickups finally stop forcing you to choose between power and fuel economy. Here's the headline. This truck delivers near-diesel torque, V8-level towing confidence, and hybrid fuel savings without sacrificing real truck capability. And that's exactly why it's shocking people. For years, hybrid trucks like the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid proved the concept worked, but they still felt like a compromise to traditional truck buyers. GMC just changed that equation. The 2027 Sierra Hybrid is built to do three things better than anything before it. Pull heavy loads like a traditional V8, deliver significantly better fuel economy in real-world driving, provide instant electric torque that actually improves performance, not just efficiency. And once you understand how GMC engineered this system, it becomes clear. This isn't a side option. This is the future of the Sierra lineup. Exterior design, still a truck, but smarter. At first glance, GMC didn't go radical, and that's intentional. The 2027 Sierra Hybrid keeps the bold, squared-off stance that buyers expect. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle aerodynamic improvements that actually matter. A slightly reshaped grille to improve airflow, active grille shutters that open and close depending on cooling needs, redesigned lower fascia to reduce drag at highway speeds, new wheel designs optimized for both cooling and efficiency. Expert insight. Engineers have learned that hybrid trucks don't need futuristic styling. They need functional efficiency gains hidden inside familiar design language. GMC nailed that balance here. The lighting is sharper too, with updated LED signatures that make the truck instantly recognizable at night. It still looks tough, but now it's working smarter behind the scenes. Hybrid powertrain, where everything changes. This is where the Sierra Hybrid separates itself from the past. GMC pairs a turbocharged gasoline engine with a high-output electric motor and a next-generation battery system. But the key isn't just the components, it's how they work together. What makes this system different? Instant torque fill. The electric motor eliminates turbo lag completely. When you press the throttle, power hits immediately. Load leveling intelligence. Under heavy towing, the hybrid system distributes power between engine and motor to reduce strain and heat buildup. Regenerative braking. Tuned for trucks. Unlike smaller hybrids, this system is calibrated for payload and trailer weight, recovering energy even when hauling. Expert insight. Traditional truck engines struggle most under sudden load changes, like merging with a trailer. Hybrid systems like this one smooth out those spikes, improving both durability and driver confidence. Performance. This is not a slow hybrid. Let's clear up the biggest misconception right away. This truck is fast. And more importantly, it's strong where it matters. Early expectations point to torque figures rivaling diesel setups, strong 0-60 acceleration thanks to electric assist, confident towing even under steep grades. Where the hybrid system shines is in real-world usability. No lag when pulling into traffic. Smooth, linear acceleration even with a load. Reduced gear hunting when towing uphill. Compared to traditional V8 trucks, the Sierra Hybrid feels more responsive, less stressed under load, surprisingly refined in stop-and-go driving. Fuel efficiency, the real game changer. This is where the Sierra Hybrid flips the script. Full-size trucks have always had one weakness: fuel consumption. GMC addresses that directly. Expected improvements include significant gains in city driving efficiency, noticeable savings during towing cycles, reduced idle fuel waste thanks to electric operation. Expert insight. Hybrid trucks don't just save fuel in traffic, they save fuel during work cycles, which is where traditional trucks burn the most. Think about job site idling, stop-and-go hauling, urban delivery driving. That's where the Sierra Hybrid delivers real-world value, not just lab numbers. Interior. Premium meets high-tech utility inside. GMC leans hard into premium territory, especially in trims like Denali. Key highlights: large, high-resolution infotainment display, fully digital instrument cluster with hybrid energy flow visuals, premium materials including leather, metal, and wood accents, improved cabin insulation for quieter driving. The hybrid system also introduces new displays, real-time power distribution, battery charge levels, efficiency coaching tools, expert insight. Drivers who understand how their hybrid system works tend to get better real-world efficiency. GMC's interface makes that learning curve easy. Towing and capability. Still a real truck. Let's address the concern directly. Is the hybrid Sierra still a real truck? Yes, and in some ways, it's better. Expected capabilities include competitive towing capacity with gas-powered rivals, improved low-speed control thanks to electric torque, advanced trailer assist systems. Where it improves, better stability when starting from a stop with a trailer, less drivetrain strain under continuous load, more predictable throttle response. Compared to trucks like the Ram 1500 e-Torque, GMC's system is more advanced and delivers true hybrid performance, not just mild efficiency gains. Off-road capability. Electric torque advantage. For off-road enthusiasts, the hybrid system brings a hidden advantage: precision control. Electric motors provide instant torque at low speeds, smoother crawling over obstacles, reduced wheel spin in tricky terrain. This makes trims like AT4 even more capable. Expert insight. Electric torque is incredibly valuable off-road because it's predictable and immediate, unlike combustion engines that need revs to build power. Reliability. The big question. Hybrid trucks raise one big concern: will it last? GMC appears to have addressed this with reinforced cooling systems for battery and motor, heavy-duty calibration for towing conditions, proven hybrid components adapted for truck use. Expert insight. Hybrid systems can actually reduce wear on traditional engines by sharing the workload, especially during high-stress moments. The key will be long-term durability under heavy towing, but early engineering signals are promising. How it compares to rivals versus Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid. Ford-proved hybrids work. GMC focuses more on refinement and towing smoothness versus Toyota Tundra i4 Max. Toyota emphasizes performance. GMC balances performance with premium comfort. Traditional V8 trucks. Hybrid wins in efficiency and responsiveness. V8 still wins in simplicity, but that gap is shrinking fast. The bigger picture. Why this truck matters. The 2027 Sierra Hybrid isn't just a new model. It represents a shift. Trucks are becoming smarter, not weaker. Efficiency no longer means compromise. Electrification is enhancing capability, not replacing it. This is exactly what many buyers have been waiting for: a truck that feels familiar, but performs better in every measurable way. Final verdict: should you be excited? Yes, but with realistic expectations. If you want maximum simplicity, stick with traditional engines. Cutting-edge performance plus efficiency, this is it. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 Hybrid proves something important. The future of trucks isn't electric versus gas. It's both working together. And for the first time, that combination actually feels like an upgrade, not a compromise.